What's going on, chat? It's your boy Big Daddy Dick in the building. Quit playing with me. Alright, let's make sure my shit's all good. Hold up. Alright. Let's see if it's working. Say something.
What are you doing?
Alright, but I'm making the unboxing video.
Oh shit, what up?
Yo, chat, tell them, let them know what's up, man. We doing this unboxing. They want to see what the fuck I got, gang. Quit playing with them. So, made some, how do you say this tea? Chamomile tea?
Yeah, chamomile.
Yeah, we got some of that
Chamomile.
tea with some honey in it. Roll the Song by XXX Tentacion. Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up? The fuck is
Bitch, I'm
going
sipping
on?
tea. Yo, look, what the fuck is up?
Put some honey in that bit. You know what I'm saying? My throat been feeling scratchy. Here's the dinner. You feel me? So if y'all didn't know, we went to the MGK concert. Like, well, when was it? Like Saturday last week, June 13th. We got some Lost Americana merch. You feel me? Hold on, let's get the fucking chair out of the way. Got some Lost Americana. Quit playing with them. Oh, and don't forget, we got some Castle Vogue shorts on. Quit playing with them. So, without further ado, let's get into this fucking video, baby girls. Got that fresh fade, you feel me? Yo, Mexi, roll that intro. Roll them out.
Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is that?
Alright, Chad, we back. We rolled that intro. So, I ordered some things from a brand called Revenge. Don't mind my messy bed. I'm currently... Actually, what messy bed? I don't even got blankets on that bitch. So, currently washing the blankets, so that's why the blankets ain't on the bed. So, Revenge. I don't know if you've heard of them. Let's show y'all a little pop-up real quick of what the brand is. So, I hope y'all know what Revenge is. It's the brand Juice WRLD and XXX Tentacion wore. And Young Thug, I guess. So, hold on. Let me pop it up real quick. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna mute you for a second. Or I'm gonna turn you down a little bit. Alright, so basically, it's this brand right here. If you've never heard of them, let's do image. Oh wait, maybe not. Maybe it's not. Oh duh. It's not that one. Whoops. Alright, it's this one. I just gotta change it. So it's this brand right here, chat. So this is the brand. This is the website. So it's currently sold out. You feel me? It's currently sold out. I got that new shit.
You got that exclusive.
So, I'm about to, you know what? I'm gonna pull a picture of X too so they know what the fuck I'm talking about. So, I'm pretty sure X made a song about this merch. So, it's this merch right here. In his double XL, you feel me? So, This brand, Revenge. I copped some. So, they had a 10-year anniversary of Attack on Titan. So, it's the Attack on Titan Revenge collab. So, let's unbox this shit, you feel me? Let's get it up on camera real quick. Let's get me up on camera doing this shit, you feel me? Oh, damn, this shit's...
You gotta turn the camera on.
Alright, hold on. Let's see if they...
It's backwards, bro. Get over it.
Here, can you see me? Oh, wait, nah, fuck it. I forgot. Alright, hold on. Ah, you can see me? Yo, you can see me? Yo, shithead. Yo, shithead. Can you hear me? Adrian. Alright, we're just gonna keep it rolling. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. That shit's official. What the fuck? Yo, you see this?
You fucking muted me, you fucking idiots, dude.
I'm not mute you, dip fuck.
Why couldn't you hear me?
I don't fucking know. Probably you muted yourself.
No, I didn't.
Damn, so on the front it says Revenge. And then on the back it says Attack on Titan. And it's a Ziploc bag so I can keep it. Like, it's a reusable bag. Oh, damn, gang. These shorts are fire, bro. If y'all know that Attack on Titan scene where Aaron's Titan is frozen, that's what this is from. It's got Attack on Titan in the corner, embroidered in the corner. And then it's got Revenge. Revenge custom tag. Oh wow, this is clean, bro. These are clean.
Damn. I like those shorts. Can you hear me, Corey?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's the scene where they're Here, let me put on the reference scene so everybody knows what I'm talking about.
Man, look at this hoodie from the MGK concert. What's your hoodie say?
Lost Americana World
Lost
Tour.
Americana.
On the back, it's got wings. Oh shit.
So what the fuck do I apply?
She'll be okay. If she gets, you can send her down. If she gets green, okay.
Alright, so y'all, I hope y'all have seen this before, because I'm screenshotting y'all showing it. So this is the scene that the shorts were based on. so you can see the Titan, and then you can see like them. You can see them right over here. Look at that. You see this, Adrian?
Yeah, that's fire.
And then the logo's embroidered. The Revenge is embroidered right on the side. And then over here on the other corner, it says Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan. So that's the shorts. Oh, you guys thought that was all? Hell nah. We got the hoodie too, gang. Quit playing. And it's a reusable bag too. I like this. What the hell? I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff these right back in the bag. That's so fire. That Attack on Titan collabed with Revenge. I did not expect that. This is the hoodie. So the back says Attack on Titan. This is a much bigger piece. Damn, this feels really, really cool. What the hell? Dude, what the fuck, dude? This is crazy, dude. I don't know what material this is. So this is a medium. Oh, so on this side of the tag, it says Revenge. And then on this side, it says Attack on Titan. Let me take my headphones off so I can properly wear it and show y'all. Skinny long john in the cut with the hoodie. So the back. The back's got 3 different Titans on it. They got Aaron, the Colossal, and the Armored Titan. And then it says Revenge at the top. And then right down here at the bottom it says Attack on Titan. Left sleeve has Attack on Titan on it.
Have you watched
And it
that
says Attack on Titan in crazy font on the sleeve. Right there. And then on the back, or the front, it's got the Revenge.
No.
It's not really embroidered, but it's all good. It's still a good drop. Definitely could have been a little better. But hey, bro, it's a thick hoodie, and it'll keep you warm in the winter. Oh shit, Adrian, what we feeling, baby?
Damn, that's fire, dude. I like the red in it.
Damn, baby. How you fucking with it?
I like it.
I probably could have gotten a small. Oh, and then on the sleeve, it says Revenge is in the creator's hands. On the right sleeve. This one's for the Bucks, gang. I'm not gonna lie. I'll maybe wear this during a show or something. I doubt I'll wear this like that just because how nice it is. I don't want to ruin it.
You just gotta be careful, bro.
It feels nice. Feels really nice, actually. Holy shit, this feels mad nice. I feel like I'm X. Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up, Buttercup? Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up, Buttercup? Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up? Yeah, run that shit. Alright, we're playing it.
Well, you're gonna get your video taken down, bro. You already know about what they do about the artists that pass away.
Oh shit, you right, gang. Alright, fuck it. I guess we can't play it, chat. I normally don't get it taken down for playing X, but hey, but chat, let me know how you feel about the revenge hoodie in the comments. Is it hard? You fuck with it? What you think? Is that something I should do more of? Cop some more revenge? Try to get the XXX Tentacion one? I like this one because this one's mad different. This ain't something you'll be wearing or like you'll be seeing people wear. Like people will be like, yo, what the fuck is that? And then I tell them what the fuck it is. And they'll be like, damn, you can't even buy that shit? I'm like, hell no, gang. It's limited time only, baby. Alright, let me know how you feel about it in the comments, gang. Leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Your boy Tonair is off this bitch.